This AGV transfer cart has a load capacity of 6 tons and uses magnetic strip navigation for positioning. This 20T AGV automated guided vehicle, customized for a customer in Henan, uses laser navigation, enabling it to accurately plan routes in the workshop, flexibly avoid obstacles, and, equipped with a small steering wheel, turn easily and can automatically recharge. This 1.5-ton AGV transfer cart, customized for a customer in the United States, uses laser/QR code/magnetic navigation technology, transports wooden boards quickly and smoothly. This AGV intelligent transfer cart, customized for a customer in Thailand, uses laser navigation for positioning, enabling mechanism wheels are used as drive wheels for transporting pallets in robotic intelligent production workshops. 5-ton load AGV transfer cart uses steering wheels and magnetic navigation, mainly used for transporting steel coils in the workshop. This is a customized intelligent handling AGV for a Shanghai customer. This customized AGV intelligent cart uses magnetic strip navigation for positioning, uses steering wheels as drive wheels, and the platform is also equipped with a lifting device, used for steel transfer and automotive production lines.